Hoover has been called the greatest stick and rudder man that ever lived. He flew in World War II, escaped a POW camp, and flew experimental airframes with the Air Force. As a child, Hoover was inspired by his parents talking about Charles Lindbergh's transatlantic flight. And by age 15, Hoover had started a flight club at his high school. He got a job bagging groceries for $2 a week to pay for 15 minutes of flying time. By the time he joined the Army Air Corps for World War II, he'd already been solo certified and taught himself aeronautical acrobatic moves. In 1944, Hoover was shot down on his 59th mission over southern France. He was captured and taken to a Nazi prison camp in northern Germany, where he spent 16 months being pretty pissed about the whole thing. He eventually escaped by staging a fight between fellow prisoners, jumped over the barbed wire fence, and stole an unguarded Nazi plane from a nearby airfield. But Hoover's legacy doesn't stop there. Hoover went on to become an Air Force legend, joining the ranks of Doolittle, Goretzky, and Yeager, just to name a few. He flew several experimental airframes, including the P-80, F-86, and F-100 Super Sabre. He was also Chuck Yeager's backup and chase plane pilot when Yeager broke the sound barrier in 1947. His time testing aircraft led Hoover to design technology himself. You might have heard of the Hoover nozzle or the Hoover ring. Throughout his life, Hoover earned numerous awards and accolades, including the Distinguished Flying Cross and the French Croix de Guerre. He was inducted in the National Aviation Hall of Fame and the Aerospace Walk of Honor. He was awarded the Living Legends of Aviation Freedom of Flight Award in 2006, and the nonprofit renamed the award after Hoover the next year. Bob Hoover, a true pilot's pilot, died on October 25th, 2016, after a long life and career full of amazing feats. Like, share, and comment below. And thank men like Bob Hoover, who paved the way for the modern Air Force.